Identifying sounds provides quite a contrast when compared with most other Scout meeting activities. A variety of items are hidden from view behind a tarp or blanket serving as a curtain. In turn, Scouts try to identify the items just by listening to the sounds they make. Identifying sounds is a superb listening exercise. Scouts must remain extra quiet as they rely solely on what they hear to make their observations. After all the sounds are heard, this activity provides an opportunity for Scouts to work together, compare notes, and confer with one another.
I thought it was a squirt bottle.
Yeah.
Fourth one, definitely a knife sharpener.
That's what I said, knife sharpening.
The fifth one, to me, it sounded like a rake going across the floor.
I just heard scratching, so I heard scratching.
Sounds like a bead scrabble.
Put something dragon.
The one after that was
Pen clicks.
Clicking.
Going click,
pen
click,
clicking.
click, click,
Yes.
click. The next one, I didn't know, so I put a
Yeah.
question mark.
Me too.
I'm like,
It was
what?
the measuring tape. You know how it goes out and then it clicks
And then
back
it
in?
goes.
Yeah.
But I know the trash bag, the knife sharpening, the cards, pen clicks, and the penny drop. I know we pretty sure got that right.
This is a great activity for varying a Scout meeting's tone and tempo. And a close quarters challenge like identifying sounds that uniquely relies upon the senses contributes to making a Scout meeting fun in a special kind of way.